Hello, today we will be looking at how to get 100 subscribers on YouTube fast. Now, this is very important because if you want to be approved into the YouTube Partner Program, where you will be able to monetize your YouTube channel and your YouTube videos using YouTube ads, then you need at least 1,000 subscribers within a 1 year window period. In this video, I will be giving you tips to help you to achieve the 1,000 subscribers on YouTube fast. This is the same way I used to achieve 1,000 subscribers on this particular channel very fast within few months, and we will be going through it so you will be able to achieve the same thing and even faster. So the first tip here is do more of videos that give more subs, and this is logical. Offer high value in your videos that are highly entertaining, highly educating, or have some high information value. People will invariably subscribe. Now, this is because they would want to be associated with you and get more of those content, and they want to give you feedback that your video is valuable. So the first thing is to make sure that you have videos that offer high value, and one of the ways to do this is check out what is already available for that particular topic. So before you do any video on a particular topic, try and search and see the top videos on that particular topic, and using what we call the skyscraper technique, try as much as possible to make your own videos better than the videos that are already flying on that particular topic. That way you make sure you are offering high value, and so content is always king. And if you offer high value content, irresistible content that meets the questions, the need, and offer solutions that the viewer is actually seeking, you will get views, and those views will not just be mere clicks but good audience retention. And that way, because of the satisfaction the audience, the viewers will get, they will most likely subscribe and even turn on the bell notification. So the first very most important tip is do more of videos that give more, so give more value, give high value in your videos. So that's the first tip. If you do this, you most likely will get subscribers fast. The second tip here is make your highest sub video your channel trailer. After making videos for a while, say you have 10, 20, 30 videos, you could go to your back end on your analytics and check the video that is giving you the most subscribers. Now make that video your channel trailer, and I'll place a link to a dedicated video on how to do this in the cards above or in the description below, because I've made a video on how to look for the video giving you the highest subscribers and how to turn that particular video into your channel trailer so that people who are not subscribed to your YouTube channel will see that video first. And since that video is already working by giving you more subscribers, it will just be common sense to make sure that people who are not subscribed to your channel see that video first. So in the video I will show you how to first look for the video giving you the most subscribers, then secondly how to make that video your channel trailer to replace the native channel trailer you already made. The third point, which is very important, and I attribute it to one of the reasons that I have a lot of subscribers, especially in my primary YouTube channel with over 100,000 subscribers, is ask for subs. Show and tell. When you ask for subs, don't only ask verbally but also show on the screen. Show with screen overlay with animations that will prompt the viewer to subscribe. So typically for me, every 2 or every 3 minutes I pop up the subscribe button or subscribe animation, and sometimes I also verbally prompt the viewer to subscribe. So from the beginning of the video there will be a subscribe button. After 3 minutes or 2 minutes it will pop up again. After 2 or 3 minutes, after next 2-3 minutes, the subscribe animation will pop up again. So I keep prompting them to subscribe. I keep asking for subscription by showing it visually and telling them verbally. And also at the end of my video there is a prompt to subscribe, both with the animated subscribe button and also in my end screen in my videos. Now the truth is, people need to be encouraged, people need to be prompted, people need those cues to encourage them to subscribe and reminded to subscribe. So as much as possible, try to put in those cues in several places in your videos so that you remind them and you encourage them. So ask for subs, show and tell every 2 to 3 minutes, and also in the end screen of your videos. Number 4, put popular videos in the first section. Now you already have videos that are working, and this way, now when you arrange those popular videos in the prominent part of your YouTube homepage, it will encourage people to subscribe. Now this is because they see channel is doing very well and you have great videos already, and so they would want to be part of your channel by subscribing and turning on the bell notification, so they always get such amazing videos as they can see. So for example, if you come to my YouTube channel here, you see that the popular upload is prominent here, right? It's prominent on the home page here. You have popular upload here, 2.9 thousand, 2.5 thousand, 1.5 thousand, 1.5. So I placed those popular videos here prominently, 1.3 thousand, 1.2 thousand, 1.2, so that when people land here, they see that I have great videos here that's already working and people are already, watching these videos, and that way they will most likely want to subscribe, right? So apart from that, the way to do that is you come to your customized channel, and from there you can create what we call sections, and sections will allow you to choose the particular section that will automatically bring up your popular video. So you see here, I can choose to add a section, and when I click on add section, I've already added a popular upload. That's why it is grayed out here, but if I hadn't done that, it will be available for click, and I'll just click it and I can drag it to arrange it, and so I can have popular uploads here on my homepage. That's the next tip. Put your popular videos in the first sections, prominent part of your homepage. Number 5, put brand watermarks. Now this is very important. This is a little icon, sort of like a logo, that is placed on the lower part of your videos, and this will help your viewers to automatically subscribe when they click on it. Now I've done a full video on how to do this. I'll also place the link in the description section or in the card above, so do well to click it to show you what exactly this YouTube watermark branding is, and also how to actually put it, what are the advantages, and how to use it, and where to even get it, right? So check the video and the link in the description section below or the card above to watch this after you finish watching this particular video. So that's the 5th point. Put this watermark, and make sure you don't put your logo, but put a transparent background image that says subscribe or click here. Very important, and this will help you to hit your 1000 subscribers fast. Number 6, put cues to subscribe everywhere, from your banner to your description, your comments, and your about page. This is very important. Everywhere should scream subscribe, subscribe, subscribe. You are queuing people. So apart from queuing them in your videos from the beginning, every 2 to 3 minutes, and at the end, also on your channel generally, globally, make sure that you put call to subscribe everywhere. For example, if you come to my channel here, you see on the channel banner there's a subscribe queue here. If you come to the about page, remember to subscribe. You see there's a queue here. If you come to my videos, you see this, there's a call to subscribe here. If you come to the comments, there's a call to subscribe here, and here again on the comment, thanks for liking and subscribing. So there's a call to subscribe everywhere on my channel, and that way you are increasing the probability of them subscribing, and this way you get subscribers fast. Now let's play this video and see. So the title comes up. This is the beginning of the video. This 5 seconds, my name comes up. So now look at this. This is the first cue to subscribe. You see at the beginning of the video, first cue to subscribe. So I do that constantly. Every 2 to 3 minutes there's a call to subscribe. The subscribe button pops up. Now again, this is the branding watermark. You see subscribe here too. So this watermark here, if you bring your cursor here, it gives you the opportunity. I'm already subscribed here, or it doesn't give me the opportunity to subscribe to my own channel. Instead, there would have been a call to subscribe here, so this subscribe will be clickable. So this is the branded watermark. You bring your cursor here as they are watching, and they see this call to action to subscribe, this image that is like a watermark all through the video. When they come in here, they have the cue to subscribe, and so that's another very powerful tip. So on my videos and globally on the channel, channel, there's a call to subscribe everywhere, every single place. So that is the 6th point. Put cues to subscribe everywhere on your videos and on your channel, banner, description, comment, and about page. Number 7, very important, make relevant videos. Make videos that are searchable and they are trending. Try to do keyword research, and on this channel I have done extensive videos on how to do keyword research, simple ways to do keyword research using Google auto suggestion and drop down, and doing the same thing with YouTube auto suggestion and drop down, and also using TubeBuddy to look for both trending and searchable keywords and searchable video ideas, right? So try to make videos that are relevant, and that way you get a lot of people coming in. So if there's a trend both in the search and based on popularity, you should make these videos. Make videos that people want to watch. Make videos that are not only of high value but that are relevant at the moment, and that way you key in, you ride on the waves of the trend, and you will get a lot of subscribers that way, right? So if you follow all of these, you'll be able to hit your 1,000 subscribers very, very fast. Now, these are free methods. There are other pay methods that you can run ads and stuff like that to help you to achieve this fast, but for this video we're concentrating on the free methods. And I also did a video on how to achieve to get your 4,000 watch hours on YouTube very fast. So do well to click the link to watch the video so you'll be able to get monetized very fast. If you find this video very helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and stay subscribed, and check the description section below for a free download that will help you to start, grow, and monetize a profitable YouTube channel. And as we usually say in this community, play big, and I'll see you in the next one.